Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money by watching videos on Swagbucks. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, the video option might not be available in every region, so proceed according to your region and try not to use any VPN service. Open up the Swagbucks application first, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and proceed with the login button by using your account credentials or your social media account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page from which you will be shown the various different tasks that are available for you that you can do in order to earn Swagbucks. Now, in the Discover section at the bottom right corner, you can tap on it and you will see all of the various ways by which you can earn Swagbucks. If you don't see the video section here, then this means your location doesn't offer this service. If you see the video option, you can simply tap on it and you will see the various different video offers that you can earn Swagbucks with. Open up the videos that you are interested in watching and you will be rewarded in real time with your Swagbucks as you complete the watch time requirements. And there you have it. That is how you can go forward if you wish to watch videos in order to make money on Swagbucks. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.